In this video, we will discuss how to modify the following distance setting for the Bendix Wingman Advanced Collision Mitigation System. Press the Mode button and the electronic dashboard will display. Please wait until the MIL light goes out before proceeding. There are 4 paddle buttons on the steering wheel that control the electronic dashboard that include Mode Back button, Enter OK button, and Navigation button. For the upcoming dashboard screens, these buttons will be shown in the lower left-hand corner for reference to show how intuitive this display interface functions. Let's access the collision mitigation system on the electronic dashboard. First, press the Mode button for the Settings option to appear. Press the Enter button to view the Settings menu. Press Enter to select Collision Mitigation. Navigate down through the following distance adjustment presets. There are 4 distance settings for the operator to choose from for the collision mitigation system. Preset 2 is the default setting. Setting 1 increases the following distance, and settings 3 and 4 decrease the following distance. In this example, we would choose preset 1. After the preset is selected and changed by pressing the Enter button, exit the menu by pressing the Mode button. Then navigate down to exit and press Enter. Press Mode button twice or release the park brake to exit. Notice in this example on the electronic dashboard, the distance alert on the collision mitigation system indicates when the vehicle in the same lane of travel enters the pre-selected distance threshold. The dash icon progressively changes along with an audible alert as the vehicle gap closes. Please note, if cruise control is set, the Wingman Advanced system will adjust the coach speed to maintain the preset distance, and in the case of collision detection, it can also apply brakes to assist the driver in avoiding a collision, but it should never be relied on completely to bring the vehicle to a stop. Safe operation of the vehicle is ultimately the responsibility of the driver. This concludes the overview of the collision mitigation system on the 2018 MCI J4500 coach. MCI, reliability driven.